It look like a big small. It's a big smallmouth. Oh yeah, big smallie. Get him in here. I want to look at him. Man, they are acrobatic. Wow.
Beautiful smallie.
Big one, finally.
And he's got me where I can get my hooks out.
I'll show him.
Now that's beautiful.
Camera's on, ain't it?
Yep. That's beautiful.
Boy, I mean.
Healthy, not a scar on him.
Yeah, it's a good one too. Here we turn.
Here we go.
First one of the day.
First bass of the day.
He's pretty healthy too.
Yeah.
Pretty little bass.
Number one.
Weed. And he ate it when I pulled it out of the weed. That was cool. Little juicy one. Well, them are some pretty little fish. They got, what do we got? That's smallmouth. Oh wow.
Beautiful smallmouth.
Boy, I mean,
Wasn't expecting that.
That was a goggle eye from a distance there.
I did too. I knew he hit it hard, but I was like, that's a goggle eye. Beautiful little smallmouth.
Put him up real close. Man, they are
Beautiful.
Beautiful creatures.